Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Linktree URL. If you want to update your Linktree URL, the process is quite simple and can be done directly from your account settings. In this walkthrough, we'll move step by step through the account area where Linktree lets you change your username, which also updates the URL people use to visit your page. To begin, go to the Linktree admin page. This is where you manage your Linktree profile, links, and account settings. Once you're signed in, you should be taken to the main admin dashboard. From there, look to the top left area of the screen and click on your profile account. This opens the menu connected to your personal or business account settings. If you don't immediately see the option you need, take a second to make sure the account menu is fully expanded. Next, click on Account. This will take you into the section where your main account details are stored. Since your Linktree URL is tied to your username, this is the place where the change needs to happen. Once you're on the account page, scroll down until you find the account management section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little farther than expected, so just move slowly until you spot it. This section includes important settings related to how your account is set up. When you find it, click on Change Username. This option is what allows you to update the end portion of your Linktree URL. For example, if your current Linktree link includes your old username, changing the username here will update that public web address. Now enter your new username in the field provided. Choose the name you want your new Linktree URL to use. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving on, especially if you use this link on social media profiles, business cards, or promotional materials. Keep in mind that usernames usually need to be unique, so if the one you want is unavailable, you may need to try a slight variation. After entering the new username, click on Review Username Change. This lets you confirm the update before it is finalized. Take a moment to review everything carefully so you know the new URL is exactly what you want. Once you've completed that review, you'll be one step away from finishing your Linktree URL update. That's all it takes to start changing your Linktree username and public link through the account settings.